Adeola, the daughter of popular Nollywood actress Jumoke, has returned to Nigeria from Mali after 4 years. This was disclosed by the chairperson Nigerians in Diaspora Commission (NIDCOM) Abike Dabiri on Monday. According to her, the commission received Adeola from Mali where she was trafficked. Recall that the veteran actress had opened up in an emotional interview on how she started living in a church 6 years ago, while battling illness and the outbreak of a missing child. Adeola, the daughter of the veteran actress Jumoke, flanked by the NIDCOM chairman Abike Dabiri, actress Biola Adebayo, and Adeniyi Johnson after returning from Mali on Monday.
My second name is Yemi. Mama Yemi. Sister Yemi, can you go to Mali? I'm hearing the country name for the first time from her. It's someone I think it's Naija. So now you then bring for me. I say, I don't understand. She cannot speak English. Very well. Right, broken. So I said, okay, so what's in the happen now? The girl not tell you, say she sent you for me. Are you kidding me? She sent me to you, and you go pay me 1.5 million. Yeah.
It's worth noting that the story was made public to the view of Nigerians after Jumoke spoke in tears on Talk to Be show hosted by fellow actress Biola Adebayo. Jumoke said she hid her predicament out of shame and fear of public ridicule. The veteran actress explained that her health began to deteriorate earlier this year, which forced her to cancel scheduled acting jobs. She disclosed that Adeola, her daughter, however, called her one day to beg for forgiveness and informed her that she had migrated with some friends in search of a better life, but they had encountered something different. Meanwhile, Dabiri commended actress Biola Adebayo for breaking the story about the veteran actress' daughter and actor Adeniyi Johnson. In a post on NIDCOM handle, just received her, with Biola Adebayo, who broke the story, and Adeniyi Johnson, details later. While questions still lingers in the minds of Nigerians, we'll continue to supply you more news updates as this story develops. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching NaijaNews TV.